This is Drunk Elephant Drunk 70. We are so ready for holiday 2023. Let's check it out. It's a huge backpack. It's like an oversized backpack that you can hold this way with the handle, or you can wear it on both shoulders with these straps as a normal backpack, or you can hold it upright with the strap here. Let's open it to see what's inside. Oh, there's also a pocket right here. Let's find out what's inside the Trunk 70. It has very nice zipper. This is called Baboon to the Moon, and it has an interior pocket here to store your traveling items. And inside it is nicely wrapped with paper to protect lion's share. And it's called the Trunk 70 Baboon to the Moon. And this is the package inside. Let's open it. Whoa, we got a tons of stuff in here, guys. First up, we have Ceramide AF Eye Balm. We have a full-size B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, 50 ml. Baby Facial, 50 ml. And you have a Pashani Retinol Cream, 30 ml. And another good one is the C's Forma Fresh Day Serum. And then we have Bouncy Bright Facial, 50 ml. That's a full size. Now that's a full size. TLC from Boost Glycolic Night Serum, 30 ml. And here is the famous D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution, 30 ml. And holy smoke, the Flower Cream, 50 ml. Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, 50 ml. That's a full size, baby. We have Slime Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. This is for removing makeup. It's a travel size. And we have a cleanly wrapped one. I guess this gotta be the cleanser because no spill out. Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser, 150 ml. Oh my goodness. Well, so this is a Shaba Complex Eye Serum, 5 ml. That's a travel size. And we have a bunch of shampoo. We got Lara Retro Whipped Cream, Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, F-Bomb Water Facial, and the Proteiny Reserve Serum in the packet. Oh my goodness, this is huge. And it goes from cleansing to facial at night, protection during the day, serum, bronzing, everything for home travel and the safari. If you're traveling, this is so good. If you're gifting, this is so generous. Anyone that received this as a gift will be super stoked. They would love you forever. Thank you, Drunk Elephant, for this beautiful gift. You always amaze me every holiday.